We're about to count down. In 3, 2, 1, let the cook-off begin!
Good afternoon to you. Welcome to Stratford Centre. Hope you're enjoying yourselves today. We're entertaining with the first ever cook-off, live cook-off. Been working with 5 schools. 3 secondary schools, 2 primary schools. Why? Simple. Teaching young people the importance of cooking, healthy eating, healthy living, healthy lifestyle. The judges will go around each school at a time and just sample the food that has been prepared. Once the judges have sampled the food, we'll then give you an opportunity to be the 4th judge, and you will get to sample some of it as well. Taste.
And it's very delicious, nice and citrusy. Maybe a little bit too much salt, but it's very delicious.
Wow. All I have to say is, I want the recipe.
That's good. And finally, come forward, Lisa.
It's had a good kick to it, it's very good.
A good kick to it.
And how does it taste? Delicious. Divine. 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 This is some of the best food I've ever tasted. From our gentlemen there to you guys. We've got delicious over here, which is fantastic, but we've got divine over there.